So there's a lot of road construction going on out here. This happens to be the 95. They're repaving the roads, which is a good thing.
Watch out, construction on road ahead.
Here, that's Waze, by the way. Waze is an app that is run by Google Maps. As you can see the trucks now. On the right-hand side, the workers who are paving the roads and stuff like that. And you see people that are moving over to this one lane. It's great. I commend all of the workers of America who are out there doing the right thing and helping build and keeping America moving. Because without the roads and the infrastructure, we won't be able to get anything done. Won't get food, won't get to point A to B. I commend you. Ghost Courier out.